What's up, my unicorns? So, today we are going to be doing a wig install on my client, Jordan. So, this is her first wig install. She's had sewing before, but she's never had a wig install. So, right now, I'm just putting like a little product in her hair so it's easier for me to scalp braid it because I am not a braider. And the product that I use is just Shine and Gel. It helps me keep the hair smooth as I braid along, and it also helps me grip all of the hairs a lot better. So I like to use this product. I know a lot of people don't, especially like the actual braiders, but this is for a braid down. Like it's not for the wearers. But I do like the overall neatness that I do get from using it. And I know I'm not using it totally perfect, like y'all. I'm just saying I use this to help keep the hair smooth along the way. Now, sometimes I do gel the parts, like how braiders usually do. They gel the parts, they gel all the hair, they put gel everywhere. But I don't want her hair too caked up with product because also this service does include a shampoo and condition. Once I got done shampooing and conditioning her hair, I put moisturizer in her hair before I blow dried it. So, and that could also help you, don't quote me guys, but this could also help you all when you go and get your knotless braids and everything like that. Do if you feel like that your hair is better with product in it, like moisturizer in it. And I know braiders say come product free and everything, but this is a really good hack. Put the products in your hair while it is wet. And once you blow dry the product in, it's still going to have the clean look for it. It won't be greasy or anything like that. And don't put oil. Like definitely do not put oil. Nothing is wrong with oil, but oil is a sealant at the end of the day. And it definitely will leave a residue. But if you're using butters and creams and stuff, it's totally fine. But yeah, again, don't quote me. Anyways, right now I'm just using basking lather to slick her edges back because her hair texture is very soft and I don't want any hairs like curling up or anything like that, especially when I get to gluing the hair down. So if you all have been watching any of my previous videos, then you will know that I do not do the ball cap method. I feel like it takes the edges out. And then honestly, it's easier if you want to get it reinstalled. You don't have to worry about putting a new cap on, rubbing the glue off, like anything like that. So right now, I'm just having her go through the process with me because this is her first week install. We're gonna pick out what color she feel is more comfortable for her skin tone so it can like match. And again, this is her first wig and stuff, so I want her to be a part of the process and so she knows what's going on, even though she may not care, but still. And then I'm gonna take a picture because she forgot her glasses at home. So I'm also gonna take a picture for her on her phone. So she has later on. But yeah. So right now, I'm just about to put off the side of the wig because when you order a closure wig, they design it to be worn as if you're gonna wear it in a middle part. So you have to adjust it and cut for your ear to be able to be comfortable, and so it looks as natural and as good as possible. Some of the hairs I was not able to cut off, like some of the tracks I was not able to cut completely off without ripping the whole wig. But we worked with it, we worked with it. So I ended up plucking the wig just a little bit more off camera. Curly wigs, honestly, they don't need to be plucked like as much. If you get sent a thick curly wig, that would be crazy. I have never seen, even from the worst companies of the worst companies, they usually do not add a lot of hair into the closures or the frontals. But right now, I'm doing the first layer of glue. I'm trying to smooth it out, have it as clean and smooth as possible. And this is also going to make it easy for when she gets ready to take it off because it's really when your glue is thick and clumpy. That's what creates the problems, you guys. But yeah, so now it is time. I have already did the three layers. So it's time to press the glue in. So I warned her, I was like, girl, it's gonna be hot. Be prepared, it's gonna be hot. So if you notice right away, like, oh, it wasn't any glue right there, you can go ahead and do that, but make sure you rub it in to where it's clear. Do not put the glue down on, no, not the glue. Do not put the lace down on white glue. And I like to like put the part in the closure before I put the band down because I really don't want any hairs out of place. And usually I would like put some mousse on it or foam on it before I do so, but I just didn't this time. Now it's a curly wig, so it's gonna be easy styling it. So if you want your curls to stay and but still not have that hard effect, you can use water and mousse. So moose will have the curls staying. Like they will not move like at all. But if you don't want them to be crunchy, make sure you wash your wig prior and make sure you also spray in water as well. Now, if you want that soft look, but it won't stay, like it's gonna get frizzy or a little puffy like afterwards, then you can just use foam. That's the difference. Mousse will have your hair hard, foam will have your hair soft. A lot of people misconstrued that, but it's time to take the band off and let's see what we're working with. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, very, very, very natural, very nice. She's loving it. I love seeing people's first reaction to getting like a hairstyle. Yeah, look up close. Had to let y'all see it up close. And then I'm gonna show her. Because again, you guys, she didn't bring her glasses. It's so crazy. But anyways, I'm looking for the scissors so I can cut the lace off. So I have these mini scissors and they're super sharp. I really don't have to cut as long along the way as I go. I would just keep gliding down. And that's one of the things that I like about these tiny scissors. Now you can type in Amazon eyebrow shears and they'll come up. So now we're just about to carve out the baby hairs, and the product that I use for the baby hairs is Mielle Foam, and I use Gorilla Snot. So you can just keep molding and positioning it as you would like it. And I like to blow dry along the way. So I'm switching from my cold setting on my blow dry to my hot because I am right by her face, like literally right by her face. So you want to be like mindful of that because not everybody can take it. Beauty is pain, guys, but sometimes we just cannot take it. But I'm gonna do the same process for this baby hair, and I had to remold it because on this side she could not take the blow dryer, so it kind of altered how the baby hair looked or whatever. Like, see, the pressure on this blow dryer is really, really hard. Even though I had the cold setting on, the pressure on the blow dryer is really, really hard, and you have to be mindful of that as well. Okay, so we're all done. I'm just about to do some finishing touches. I'm gonna define her part. I'm not really gonna spray it because I don't really think that it needs any spraying or anything like that. And I'm gonna see if I need to add any more glue to the lace, making sure that everything looks right. So I'm switching out like how I had the hair behind her ear because it was like a little track you could see. I don't know if it was like up close on her, but I still wanted like, seamless. So she does have a side part, and I'm trying to hide where you will start to see the tracks on the other side because it is a closure, it's not a frontal. But with this being like her first wig, I know she don't want it, in her face or anything like that. So just trying to make sure it's comfortable, seeing if she likes it. And we just gotta, you gotta make sure it's just teeth. Like, I'm trying to perfect this. But yeah. This is Jordan's first wig install. Yes, I did move the hair from in front of her face, having her look like a Leah. Like, but no, this is really cute. And then, oh my goodness, y'all, have y'all been looking at her skin this whole video? Like, I asked her what she used. I forgot what she said she used, but like, what her skin is so tea. I wish my skin was that clear. But yeah, you see it, you see it, you see it. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and thank you all for watching this video.